How to add N26 to Google Pay. Follow the instructions. Open the N26 app on your Android device and ensure you're logged in. Navigate to the Cards section where you can view your linked cards. Select the card you wish to add to Google Pay and ensure it is active. Tap on the Mobile and Online Wallets option to access the wallet setup. Choose the Set up Google Pay option to begin the process. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your card details and identity. Open the Google Pay app on your phone to begin adding your card. Tap the Add a Card button in Google Pay to enter your card information. Enter your N26 card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Accept the terms and conditions to complete the process and start using Google Pay. Thank you for watching.